Have you ever been asked a question that you really didn't want to answer? Maybe it's about something embarrassing or something a little too personal. Well, today's phrase is perfect for those moments. Plead the Fifth. It comes from American law, the Fifth Amendment.
My client exercises his right to plead the Fifth Amendment.
But don't worry, you don't need to be in court to use it. When you plead the fifth, you're basically saying, "Oh, nope, I'm not answering that." It's playful, clever, and works in everyday life when someone asks something tricky.
I'm gonna plead the fifth on that one.
Whatever they ask you, just plead the fifth.
Can I plead the fifth?
And here are example sentences. When my friends ask how many cookies I ate, I just pleaded the fifth too. My cousin asked who I have a crush on, and yep, I pleaded the fifth. Want to learn more phrases like this? Make sure to catch tomorrow's word. It's going to be just as fun and super useful in your conversations. And hey, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next class.